You subscribe yet?
Really, I think about this one. When I take things to the next level.
Well, I feel the same way about you. Like you a lot. It's been a while since we get to do something like this because, well, my brother, you know my brother,
Yeah.
him really,
Wow.
him,
Overprotective.
well, overprotective is an understatement. Him not happy to see me with somebody like him. I don't know how he might react to this. But we can work on it, and then we cross the bridge.
Well, we don't want to focus on it, brother. We just focus on each other. We like you. You like me.
Right?
We just want to be on you. Focus on each other. But think about it, brother.
I not think about him, but me I tell him I can't even find words to explain the situation me and my brother know. Like honestly, my brother he not gonna take this. Alright, I could not talk about that then.
Yeah.
I could
We
not talk
just
about
think about right now. Take it one step at a time.
that. Okay, we can do that.
So I can do later.
But you have in mind.
Come over.
I would have want to come over, but then my brother got asked me I go and then me forget. Me I tell you, alright, sure, I can come over. But if my don't come, you know why? Yes.
Alright. Come over by house. Can spend a little time with each other.
You go cook?
Obviously.
Sure. We can cook some curry chicken. Or some mackerel. We can cook some mackerel.
Michael! Michael!
Yo!
Come in the mood of talk.
Brother.
Oh, God, brother-in-law.
Everything good?
Yeah, man, so far so good, man. I'm there, man. I'm there, you know?
Everything good?
Everything good, man. But, it's like, Yanji attack, not sure.
Oh, serious? Brother talk like me like her, she like me. Like it to know each other. What?
So, you have like, you do certain things already?
No, well,
Because I mean, why you use my little sister, bro? That me a talk about. Because,
what
what I mean by that? You understand the circumstances of which this thing is this conversation is based on?
First thing,
no
disrespect, but why even ask me if me and I do the
So hold on, you feel some mean have the right to ask you that?
Well, I don't even say I have the right, it's just that weird.
What am
You me say?
Michael, what you really trying to tell me, say? You call me say me weird? You know how that disrespectful for you tell me something weird when me
No.
only thing me there for is for the I'm concerned about my sister.
Yeah, I get it wrong. But I say you're weird, but just think you kinda weird, so you go just because you just call me out of my house and I say, if me and your sister, I do not. Me and your sister.
Yeah, because I want to know if you're serious or not, because nobody can ramp my sister. Nobody can go around and say, boy, me use a girl here, this a girl here, this
But
and...
never do something like that.
Let me say, how me know that? How me gonna know that about you? Eh? 1 month, look, I don't lie now, you and she have an argument and that's it. You cut out my sister, black her and all these things and I call her a dirty girl and something. You haven't know nobody tell my sister, you know.
Brother,
that me a talk about, you know.
You go too far.
Me I go too far? How far me I go?
Brother, but I never do that to your sister. But like your sister, better attack, better get to know her.
Yo, unlike her.
You mean unlike her?
Undo her, undo everything what you say I do with. That me I tell you. Come not trust you, because you see friend and your parent, that is the next thing too. Be a bike and a ride up and drink rum and a smoke and a roll up in the park. Yo, allow my sister alone.
Let's think with a smoke.
Yeah.
You see because me and your sister attack, I don't want to disrespect you.
Yeah. Disrespect me? I want it, but disrespect you know me?
You just stop it like yourself. But like your sister, but I do not offer your sister.
Yo, you hear me say? Unlike her, unlove her, delete her. You can't do that.
Yeah, see, you know what? I hurt your sister and then I can't tell myself to block her number. How that makes sense?
What you really say? What you really try to tell me, say?
Brother, I don't argue with you. I think the best thing for me do, I just go out of the house.
Go on your house? Yo, I'm tell you.
Babe, you're my outside. Babe. No, sir. You're calling us you want to, but look like you're not happy to see me.
I think things gonna work out between me and her.
What?
I think things between me and you will stop.
So the last time when we see everything be alright. Right? Right?
Yeah.
So now out of the blue, we are say things not gonna work out. Why?
I just feel say we are so good, but we feel say more move on.
Listen, if you have something to say to me, just say it. Because this don't make no sense. Like you just wake up and feel like this. I'm a brother. You know.
But never say that.
So where this a come from?
That's that thing. I'm gonna like it.
Right, look. Babe. Just look for me and talk to you. What you mean? Hello?
Just understand.
Why not this? You didn't even talk to me. Just tell me say it not gonna work out. Why not gonna work out? Everything will have the good. You just tell me about it not gonna work out. This too sudden.
Because I think and just
Sam, me the problem?
no wrong with you.
Sam, my brother had the problem. You're not for editing, I can do this before now. Talk to me now.
Babe.
What?
Like you. Love you.
But?
Things
It's a go work. Listen, I know say my brother. I'm gonna go down and make a talk to him. This a go work. I'm gonna make it listen to me. I'm gonna make it work. And oh, if you just tap up because my brother come to you, what him say to you? Talk to me now.
Just do it after.
If you wanna talk to me, oh, you're gonna fix it. You can't walk away from this just because I'm a brother. And I'm a brother, oh, you know, and me, oh, you suck my man, tell us that me gonna make it work. You want it for?
Yeah, but I want it to work, but.
Good, no but. Me gonna talk to my brother because I know say I have something to do with this. I may come back and say when I finish. Give me a hug. I may talk to you still down in the phone and not listen to what me tell you say.
You want?
I come to you and I ask you where you set to Michael. Tell me where you, just tell me where you set to. I mean, I come from around this part him there and him not talk to me. I know say you do something.
Sis, Jay, why you come at me about Michael? Michael a dirty boy, you know. Me tell you something, man. I want to go in the house. Where key? You have a key?
You don't have one key?
Yes, but you lock in the house.
Me not let you in, you know. Me not let you in. So I pull it down and go in and lock it back. Because I not let you in too.
I'll be a joke,
Let me tell you something. You see, from my sister to her brother, I gotta tell you, because you still feel like me I look up in there. I am not a child, you know. I am not a child.
What that mean?
Because you act like say me a baby, everything when I do, yeah, watch over me and them someday. You have to stop it.
So that big brother do for your little sister?
But you go too far, you don't understand. There are limits. You go too far, you cross the line.
You know nothing about Michael?
You have an issue with him. You come to me and say, sister, no, say so and so, but you run down to me. You know, that's not fair, please.
Listen, man. You see, my place is to serve and protect my family, especially you.
Serve and protect?
Yes.
And you are serve and protect?
Yeah, I mean,
this is wrong. A foolishness you do. There's no way I got to the boy I full up him head.
No full up his head. Me ask him, say, when plan for the work at the end of the day, he's not.
Where you say to him?
Me say, at the end of the day, him no want nobody.
And you feel like at the year place to do that?
Oh, you mean?
So why you never come to me first? What make every time we have to go through this?
This is the reason because every time we talk, we argue. So
my lack reasoning?
No, no,
if you come to me and say, Jay, you know, so me feel a way about him. And
so why you arguing with me now?
Because you go to him by your own and you come to me and say nothing to me.
I don't understand how you understand what me I do feel.
Because you know do not good so I can't understand. You have to stop this. I am not a child no more.
So you want to get a heartbreak before you understand what
Remember get the heartbreak.
No,
remember get the heartbreak.
Eh? Something wrong with you? You lose it? Eh? You want to feel how heartbreak first and then you wish you never. Let me tell you something.
I feel like I don't know how to talk to you.
It means if
there's a lot of reasoning. You not understand so what I do is wrong.
That is why I have to go to the youth and tell him, ask him what I go on. If he want to feel further and feel like I'm threatening him and all these things and
you're threatening him?
And then something there.
Oh, you're threatening him?
What you looking for? You hurt me?
I say you're threatening him.
What you looking for when I go? Why are you so angry? Why are you so angry?
Okay, you know the difference.
What I mean, say, look at you what you're weird.
What wrong with me weird?
It is
under 18?
It is too revealing. All them man they want to see and carrying that bedroom and something there, that's all they want for you.
Why that depend your mind?
That depend my mind.
Why that depend your mind? Me come to your reason with you about something, you just nah get it, you not understand, you just stuck up. Me not want me that. Me not want me. I'm telling you what me I gotta do, I go back down to Michael and I go fix what you do because I actually like him. And I not make him walk from me like where you make it other boy them do. I go fix it, you go stay out here and come up it wet you up.
That's what really I do to your big brother.
I'm general.
I don't think a police is out here, you know.
No, man. You're bridging, man.
Oh, man.
How am I see you?
Well, you know, kind of tired to me, kind of laying low. You know, I'm tell you the truth. And I'm really too tired still. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm on the road and somebody say, yo, your friend But you par with every day.
Me?
Yeah.
Mm.
I tell you straight up, and if you stop it still, you know. You say, yeah, watch your sister.
What do you mean watch my sister?
I remember I tell you something, bird of a feather flock together, you see? And me and you now go flock in that day.
Listen to me, I say.
No, listen. You can't do that. That is the point. You can't watch your sister. You have to leave your sister for a man like me or if you other man out the road.
So you like my sister too?
I like her. And when me hear that, you have to stay far.
But hold on. Only thing me are doing is protect my sister from...
From what?
You mean from hurt and heartache. You know how heartache feel? Eh?
So hold on, let me ask you a question now. When you protect your sister from all of that, right? And your sister take up one of the worstest things in the earth.
He not go take up that. Me not adapt, me not go allow. Right now, alright, see boy when in Michael? You see him boy who live up the road with other part of the boy them will ride bike and rub out them weed, man. You know how me go? You know them people there? Me have to cut that off.
No, listen. Well, that one there right. But I protect him from that one because weed in a hand is not a good time. But when you protect your sister from a man like me or a man like out the road, they say you go wrong.
So you still a talk about man like you. So I look at my sister. You don't know a code already. You don't look your brethren sister.
And your brethren to deal with your sister because you know your brethren, you know me a hardworking youth.
No you. You are my brethren, I know how you deal with girl. No. And for your style. You use them and block them and them something there. And then come to me and sit down and we stung and will be a reason.
You feel them would have really black your
yes!
sister. Why?
Because I saw you stay in your blood, in your DNA.
No, but when you watch your sister, you go too far in the book.
Alright, here we go. Since you stuck on me and watch sister business, me have got part with if I saw the case.
Really, that's your
you mean? Not that if you go on, because you disrespect me. Come, look how far me I left from I come link you.
Yeah,
and you come disrespect me, your brethren.
No, me not disrespect you. Look for it there.
One bulla. Half of me and half of you.
So when the sister be they watch him too?
No, what time you told? No, I'm not watching.
You sure?
What do you mean? I'm a sister, but she in the same house. That's it.
Alright, let me ask you a question. You know, the real deep reason why me and you are really part. Me see you do a thing what day. I mean, when that's somebody that tell me, I kind of convinced. When time Marco, did they walk, go down the track with your sister, you tell me, say, a mango you go pick. And really, your sister, you go down and go watch. You know?
Yo, look come on.
Go on.
Look come on. I see you.
Go on.
I see you.
Go on.
Yeah, you're not true friend.
Why?
Where you go? Where you go?
Where they do? Up on the road, me I go and come back.
Which part upon the road you go?
A shop me I go.
So you don't tell me say I go shop. You just a bad joke, so.
I ask you a question. Me need to tell her that.
You have to tell me where you go. You don't see mountain sitting up on the road.
Listen to me.
Girl that get missing and one bag of something. And a girl like I look where you wear to.
What I'm to me I wear.
Let me cut up. Put on one pants.
Yeah, no pants me have on.
No, that a cut up jeans.
Me tell her this now. Yeah, my brother, you can't tell me what to do. Me and my own big woman, so give me the key, me go shop and come back.
Where you go shop with do?
Me I go buy something.
What?
You know, me not
Tell
understand.
me, me go out there go buy.
But me not understand. Why you keep on and watch me like say me and you dead? Yeah, my brother, you know. Yeah, my brother,
Me
yeah,
protect you from what out there. You know why in the world?
You know what out there?
Me
Stop
protect you.
You can't protect me. You can't.
What me I do then?
So wait, when I did
Night time when you asleep, who out there?
So when time I did that, who will protect me? Tell me.
You don't worry about that.
Listen.
You don't worry about that and talk about dead and
them.
them.
I need to argue with you. Shot me and go. You're not supposed to watch out my life, yeah, my brother. Don't do that. Me not like it. Make this be the first and the last. Don't
me your bigger brother, when me talk, you will listen.
Me not gonna listen to you.
Alright.
You hold me and beat me.
Tell me where you go shot go with. Tell me go get it. You hear me say?
Pass the key, you know?
Tell me where you go get me get it. Me I go up on the road either way, so me just go get
Me I go up on the road, you not stop me today. Look here, give me the key and bill off of foolishness.
You
Me
not
not in a hit with
You not tell me where I get?
Me not need to tell you that.
2 hours I go shopping.
Up in it.
2 hours I go out there.
You know, come with me alone I go. Look.
2 hours I go out there. If you say you go a road, go do all kind of thing, and me no know. You see your girl, you know listen, yo.
Man, you, what kind of thing you do, man?
I'm a sister.
So me can't deal with your sister, so I like you like your sister.
No, me not like my sister. Me love my sister.
Love your sister, you move like your
Yeah,
sister
yeah,
in a
you know.
relationship, you.
Me have to protect her. As she last somebody me have in my family where me say, if me dead,
Yo,
as she will get that. Remember say my father left that give me, you know.
You overdo it though, because you see from the other day, I make you tell you, you know. You overdo it, you stop move like in your
So
sister.
you watch
You
me
own
how
up
me
her
a deal
life.
with my sister.
What?
You have feelings to my sister?
I don't
Or
have feelings
something?
for your sister. And
So
even
you
if-
worry about how me a deal with my sister?
But even if me have feelings for your sister, what happen?
No,
What you go do about that?
You definitely can't in my family.
So hold on. Are you watch so for your sister?
You definitely can't come.
So hold
And
on.
me, I go tell her which man to there with.
So when your sister do what she fi do, what you go do? Or you go take that? Or you go accept that?
Me tell her say me I take now.
Ah, you tell watch your sister too much, man.
She is my responsibility. You, where come and suffer?
Let me go and check you.
Check me for what reason?
So you know my brethren.
You know normal check me the entire day. What happened?
So that's why you move now.
You know, say me I watch you. Cause my sister come out, so yeah come so I watch you,
Ah,
see me?
check my phone, me don't even have your sister number.
Where you my sister in?
Me your sister no have nothing, me not have your sister phone number.
Left her so.
A normal pre. Me here in the street and me avoid there. Me here in the street so you watch your PUMS, you watch your sister
Anything
PUMS.
you hear, you hold
Yeah,
on
it's not
upon
a
that.
good youth.
Anything you hear, you keep that.
Me
Go
avoid
on.
them, man.
Upon
Alright,
that.
me so watch your PUMS.
Me I do it for your own good. Nobody not tell me say me no to keep my sister out of arms. Yeah?
I do it fine.
Me know my reason. Mosquito.
General,
Yeah, go on.
yo, I'm sorry for reach so late, bro. Believe me, but I true, I have some stuff I sort out in my place. I'll back my father.
Not forward.
Alright.
Make sure me keep it clean, you know.
Everything nice, right?
Yeah, man, everything in that. So you look so like something about there. What happened to you?
I'm tell you what I'm going through today, brother. It's like sometimes some people don't understand about if you care about somebody. You understand? Because when you care about somebody, you want the best for them in all cases. See? And
Yeah.
only thing me I say is like, I don't want my sister get hurt. I know you have a sister too, so I don't know if you understand what I say.
What
I
you
don't
say?
want my sister get hurt, and yeah, man, it's like me I try to protect her, but people that say boy, me I overprotect her and all these things, and you know, I feel like say boy is a case where me is that me I watch it PUMS and
You know,
and
say, I same exact thing me I try explain to people right over the past 7 days.
brother,
Everybody I say the same thing.
so you understand me I say?
Me get what you say. Yo, me just like me I protect my sister from what out there.
Okay,
And I
brother.
like to me I watch him and
Mm.
thing.
You want the best for
Yeah.
her, bro.
But the people then just them a take it wrong way.
Brother,
Me just don't want my sister go say, alright, to the youth them nah no money. Me no want thing go to the youth there. Or the youth there go get where him get and
Hurt
cut.
him and cut. Yeah,
So that me I try protect him and the people them a say about me and watch him and me want there with my sister and them things, but they don't understand where me I come from. And me love my sister.
Cause the only thing you want is the
same
best
thing
for
I
you.
got
Brother,
you.
me tell you say, yo, come like say, just send me around here for a reason with you. Eh?
Boy,
Where you are going?
See, I look good thing. Cause me know when sitting about there, you always come here and run joke and then
yeah,
thing.
man, yo, trust me, I hate disappointment, brother. So, yo, here I go. Me go for a reason more often, you know.
Yeah.
Come here, tell you something. Yo, me never know somebody wanna actually understand what me I say.
Same so me feel, yo.
Brother, I me say my sister so forward, you know, so me go. Bro,
Oh, she. Go on,
Even a
do
yard,
that.
man.
Go on, make sure say she not carrying nobody or
you
what.
know that, brother, yo.
Just go and do that.
We talk here.
You see, every boy that say if you stay around people have the same mindset.
Let me see that. We have to come chat this sitting you know man. I have a whole heap of max up. Right? Carry all melon for we. Ah, Tio. Yes.
Where mix up now? What do you mix up? Hurry up and tell me, cause
No man. Even though rain soon fall when I go straight tonight. You get your light bill already?
me not pay no light bill.
So how you what make you not pay the light bill? You get it? You get it?
Just why you don't know say me thief light, me no pay for light. Oh, me thiefy. You don't know what me do. You know say you know no sense. Me and your friend for a long time, you know, Jasper. And look how much time me tell you say me thief light and you not remember. You don't know say the next door neighbor where they beside me and you. That there's somebody they live there so, me live here so, and you live over there so. You don't know what go on, you're lucky.
I say. That a Gladys will live around the corner there.
I want me thief like Franny man not even know she wanna pay feet cause me don't like her. She take me man one time when me and her used to go to school when we did in 11th grade. So me they spite her back.
No sir. No, they see that man. That's rough.
You know say every man may have Gladys take Gladys take with the man from me. Every man me have, every God Almighty man me get in my life, Gladys take them. Me no know where she do if take them away from me, but say Gladys me can't keep one man. Come to think about it. You know say although Gladys I take me man them, Gladys left from over her yard and come on me yard and they beg me food every day. And you know me give it to her. But you know I gonna do the next time when she come? I go and canny with pepper and salt and give her make she near me. She too greedy and me have her up for how much years now to take all of me man them. Say cause she me can't want no man. How what this? It look like Gladys have something that me don't have. Like how Jasper, like how you and Gladys did there one time. You and her did there. Me did know and me not say nothing to you and you never tell me. You're too wicked and like you say me and your friend. Is another man take away Gladys from you? Cause Gladys have been the chat. You know no use. I'm here about it. But me no want to see him
I saw you go. I saw you go. I never saw you go. And me first say we want a break. And so she start talking the next day. And she left me. And me do left in. And me first say me want one break. Yes. I like she tell me. But keep it on me. Let the girl is little bit there.
But just why? You know say you're not afraid to tell me, you know. You're not say Gladys left you because me no want sit name Astanik when me can tell you who's telling you buy and Gladys like then something there.
Nothing wrong here, so.
As she talk, he says something wrong with him, me know me and your friend me we know
that. Me eh? Natural herb.
And not they say you fi eat around here so then say good for the man them. Yes, around here so blending and drinky. Melon skin, you never know.
And the melon skin is me eat.
But me not tell you no lie. You see Gladys have one secret for me.
Let's get this out of this.
No, she have one secret for me, and that's why she always take away man them when me have.
Good Melande. Yeah, man. Hi. Yeah, talk about Gladys there. Hold on there, man. Let me give you a bigger story. You see the same Gladys there? Me notice the sister, you see? Not the sister. Gladys, two picking in them. She have a boy and a girl. And the girl picking him in, I lie to you. Me a man. She look damn good. And me I tell you, say, every single way me see the girl picking it, the boy catch up back at him. So till me start now take a observing look. And I notice, say, the boy, I watch him. And I say me I say, him a joke him now. But him a watch him hard. The boy, me see all a cuss man. Follow his sister. All a bad mind man fi talk to his sister. No one nobody talk to her. So me say, what kind of bird this here? And she a big picking, you know. Big picking, you know. She in her 20s there. And she a run. He don't know, man. I look him and thing. But the brother, me see the brother back at him pee, clock. The brother all tell him, say, yo, you can't wear this and you can't go. When time in the day in the house, some year I talk to him, you know. But me don't know. What you think? How it look to you?
Maybe they ain't something.
Hey. You think say what I really do with him, brother?
What? Gladys come out of family. And the other day, me go in a market and me have one friend in the name Rosie missing Gladys. Then hurry up put one soap in her bag named Tight Hole. Who to tell if I know it make Gladys gone with the whole of my man them so. You know what me go have to do? When Gladys don't go with my friend, me go with my friend by myself. When nobody not turn up there, and buy the soap when him Tight Hole. Because me have to get back all of my man them with Gladys take from me.
So they'll see that. When you want that is whatever do.
Then you know must know say one problem they don't have so make every man me got them gone. So that is the secret soap to get back all I man them. The soap named Tight Hole. Any woman want keep their man, then have to use the soap named Tight Hole. I may go buy because they'll see it I use and take with my man and me want, but my man them so me I go buy Tight Hole soap. What going? You know you may ask the one, you don't want to talk to me, you never want me come in your yard. Where your auntie the way name Gladys? I'm in name about 1 week now, I not see her. I say me go down the road like a while and hear one piece of story about Gladys. I say your auntie did tan. Me never know say your auntie the thief like. Me not follow your auntie and thief now like. Me think Gladys they pay JPS them light bill. Gladys too thief, Gladys with top thief like and pay fee like bill. So me if they pay like this bill and Gladys not pay no light. Me not understand. Me not thief light, you know? Me not thief light. Gladys a thief and down the road me go here say I'm a thief light. Police are gonna lock up Gladys. Me say police are look for Gladys to lock her up because you're supposed to pay your light bill. But she a thief light and you're auntie and you agree with her.
The thing is this. Me and neighbor, but
you see how long you take the answer? You know, so when I say a true, that means say what they must say down the road. A reality, a true. Your auntie is a puss. Your auntie a cat.
They'll see that. Listen to me. You know who you talk to? You think just for your song and shut and sus with everybody business?
You know, tell lie. A long time I don't see
why Jasper. Is it that you feel like say if you can come to me and feel? Oh, you feel so comfortable the first thing? Me no plan peace from morning and you come here and attack all these things.
Me auntie and neighbor.
I mean no say you I spread rumor up on the street about me and WATCHIE PUMS. You.
WATCHIE PUMS?
Yeah, you. You laugh. It's sweet you.
Me never say I know
Come
watch it.
out of me yard. What? Alright. What is it you come here for? That's the first thing. You come draw shape, sing, neat beside me like me.
Me never say you are watch the PUM. Me say you're there watch the PUM. Not tell a lie for me.
You don't watch no PUM. You don't need no PUM from nobody who claims me watch. And my sister that. Listen to me, I say. What you need to do? What you want? Tell me what you want. No?
What me
Come
want?
here wait for a phone call.
What me want?
If
Why are your sister so close? If you want know when me come out for real in a real life, me want to know why are your sister so close. And everybody have their chat out there and see your sister everywhere. And you not tap hold her up and you don't want she go nowhere and this and that.
hold her up.
And she can't chat to no man. You name the big out the street say you watch it PUM.
Why you not have a man?
What?
Why you not have a man?
You know how much man me have, you idiot boy? You can't count the man them when me have.
You are mad because me auntie take away fear man. That's why you all cut off your hair. Because what? Eh? You're stressed out. May I beg you please just leave me right now. Me don't want good peace of mind.
Why me cut off my hair?
Because you lose your man. Simple as that. No that I work on the street for you.
Yeah.
Yes, so I mean I look.
Me go get back in all I man them when me lose. Because me can buy tight wall soap.
I mean I look.
Me no want you.
Then so what you do beside me no talk to me.
So the auntie, so the nephew. Me no want you. You and Gladys are crosses. Me no want you. The brighty. You? Oh. So you don't want nobody else more than your sister. Sorry. Nothing. Not that thing.
This is not a good time to talk about my sister right now.
You not talk about your sister?
Do not talk about my sister.
I think about her and mistake me make.
Yeah, but what you do yesterday? What you want? I keep on asking the same question. You sit down beside me.
How much time me tell her say, me come to see your auntie when you Gladys?
She not there. You can go now.
So? Want to talk to your sister? Want to talk to your sister?
My sister, right now she can't take no phone call.
What you mean?
She can't take no phone call. That me mean.
Oh, this Jesus.
Go on, you go now.
Family ram.
Can't say anything, man.
So me if you live good enough. So me if you like a hotel and stay out 2-3 nights, me you celebrate yourself and stuff.
And me ain't supposed to do that.
Sister, you know me I talk, me I have that band there. That brother and sister band there, me I talk.
Listen.
And next thing me know you hide nothing from me too.
Hello, listen.
Me see you from one day you move look a bit secretive. Me not like that.
And everything you're gonna
know.
know.
Me have to close, man.
Look here, remember say me I grow, right? I am growing.
No, but if you still hold that band there like when mommy and daddy they there, then teach you to stick together.
Look here, me
so if you stick together.
Look here, where you are talking now?
You can't go over this and do something you know let me know.
So me have to tell everything what me I do,
yeah.
Yeah, my brother, me ain't not there. So stop like say me and you, me ain't do nothing.
Guardian till you turn 18. If you tell me everything where you go through and what.
Listen, hey, look here. Me not depend where you depend.
Oh, look on me.
Listen not to me, yeah, man. Sometimes I just come up with some sit up. How you come with so? Where you
do? Listen to me, man. Wait, I'm here. Brittany. Me never mean me. Brittany. God. Bubbly. Yo, which way there? Eh? Well, me there now in a sticky situation right now. Only you alone can help me right now. Yo, which way is there? Eh? Me not hear her. No, me say me there in a sticky situation and you alone can help me right now. And you alone would understand the situation right now. Check your area. I'm going to send you my location and you come check me. Eh? No, me there. Some bomb. Me just send you the location you forward. Yeah, no. Alright.
Walk on, bro.
Oh, go on. Yes, yeah.
Oh, what? You serve mine already?
Yeah, man, say. They but I'm sure look a bit that
Oh,
good.
man, I read friend situation.
Say that for now.
So, bartender there?
Well, she gonna use the bathroom now in the back.
Oh. But you're my sister. I'm glad you called me. I understand, so you don't kind of stress that day.
I know me still stressed. If I'm morning, I'm there start drinking.
Brother, you
From
can't.
morning.
Yo.
It just day in my brain, so I'm let me answer. I hate that.
You have to understand, say, it gonna happen. You know? So just calm down and think, but when I say to do it again.
I never mean to hurt her now.
I never mean for her, I don't say I want to shake her and she
I
understand.
just see one she understands, say, yo, Ray.
Exactly, but here I go.
I look out for her.
At the end of the day, we understand what I'm going. My dad said nothing too serious happened to her and she not really, you know, serious state.
Yeah, I'm panic when she chop a gun.
But the good thing about it, that nothing serious happened to her and she just lose consciousness and she basically, you know, right now she not remember certain things, so don't remind her certain things, you know.
No, sir, I'm not telling her no.
So, as me say, nobody want like you want to change because me understand what you're doing.
Yeah.
You understand me? I say, stop wanting like you want to drink and turn madman and gamble and them sitting there.
I soon left her so man, I just away to the bar. I left her so.
Yeah, we just say, brother, me I tell you this.
You know what I say, man?
But I must.
You soon lock, soon.
Listen, me, 1 week now, I'm see my sister.
1 week?
1 week now.
Me hear about that boy there and sharp in with watching my sister.
Yo.
You can't hold it rum, sir.
Yo.
When you go down there, just don't hurt Michael, yeah?
That means because, brother,
I don't want the same thing happen to you where happened to me. You understand? So if you then anger, take you out from Michael. Just make your sister go up. You understand?
Take your word for it, brother. You don't know, say, I just say, we understand each other.
Yeah, man, big case go before she left out before. Alright, yeah. Damn, box here, a thief.
You subscribe yet?
Let me say that, yeah.
Ready. Go on. Action.
What's the only first man? I'm just away to the bar. The left first.
Yeah, we just say brother, man.
You know what I'm saying, man?
But I must.
It's soon.
Listen, I'm not go there with the whole days. I'm going to start with some. My sister make some plan to check up with Jamaican. Believe me, I say.
Oh, yeah, you better go in because you know what
you better go in.
Wait, you have to check with the earth?
No, she can check you. No. Me go say no, say. All aboard the Michael, I see my sister in 1 week. You can aboard the Michael.
You better go in?
No, I'm change.
Oh, me not say about.
No, I'm change the concept. Ready? Action. Yeah, man, can aboard the Michael the same 1 week now, I see my sister.
1 week?
1 week now.
Me hear about the boy then and sharp, you better watch my sister.
Yo.
Go on down there now. Go on then.
We can't do it. I mean, I say, go to we can't go again. Book.
You can't tell him, say you can't hold a liquor. Ready? And action.
You can't hold a rum, sir.
Yo.
When you go down there, just don't hurt Michael, yeah?
That means because, brother,
I don't want the same thing happen to you what happened to me.
I understand.
You understand?
Yeah, man.
So if you then anger, take you out from Michael.
Alright.
Just make your sister go up. You
understand? Take your word for it, brother. Because you don't know, say, I just say, we understand each other.
Yeah, man. Big case go before she left out before.
Alright, bro. Yeah.
Alright. Yeah. Damn, box here, a thief. After action, me box here.
Action.
You see your girl, you know, listen, yo.
What kind of thing you do, man?
I'm a sister.
So I can't deal with the sister, so I like you like
no,
her.
Man.
Action.
Say that no key. Eh?
I'm say it for you.
Yeah.
No. Come on. I chief ask you that.
Eh? Where key is it? No matter where key is it. I'm asking where key is it.
Ready?
Ready?
And action.
It's sad.
Oh, yeah.
Come on.
Ready?
Yeah, ready?
Ready? Action.
Say that no key. Eh?
I'm say it for you.
Yeah. No,
come on. I chief ask you that.
Eh? Where key is it? No matter where key is it. I'm asking where key is it.
Ready?
Ready?
And action.
It's sad.
Yeah.
Ready, come on.
After you finish this part, I can ride.
15? Oh shit.
You need to delete something.
Delete something.
Go delete them. You don't know where you laugh so much.
Well, me.
Yeah. There we go again. Yeah. So, ready? Action!
Yeah, brother.
I'm there, you know? Everything good, man. But, it's like... You enjoy it at all, don't you? Like, serious. When you say serious, you mean? Don't move. Come here, Candy. You have a change shot, can you walk in? Yo, hand like her. undo her, undo everything when you say I deal with. That me I tell you. Come in, not trust you, because you see, friend of your parents, that is the next thing too. Be a bike and a ride up and a drink rum and a smoke and a roll up with the pot. Yo, love my sister alone. Yeah. Disrespect me? I want to go. Disrespect me, you know me? Come again. Come again, have action. Action.
It's because we don't want to disrespect you. I would like your sister. Let me just stop me. I would like your sister. Without you don't prefer this.
Yo, you hear me say? Unlike her. Unlove her. Delete her. You can't do that.
Yeah, say you don't want to hurt your sister and you have to put this in the block. What that makes sense?
That you say? Suppose I don't know that. You're black on your screen, man. Come and see me thump you.
You want that?
No, I'm tell her I see me thump you.
Oh, you tell her that?
Yeah, I tell her I see me thump you.
You subscribe yet?